Hello everyone, I am Rohan Patwardhan. Today I will be explaining you about OpenSpecimen container transfer related enhancements coming with version 10.x. Transfer was supported with OpenSpecimen from many previous versions, but many freezer facilities requested that they need to move or transfer multiple containers at a time from one place to another. That will be helpful to consolidate or rearrange their freezers, move racks from one freezer to another, move specific boxes according to the new rearrangement schemes. So now onwards, OpenSpecimen supports transfer to move the containers from one position to another within or across the freezers. All the child containers and stored specimens are also transferred automatically. Similar to previous versions, we also have kept the same prerequisites. The parent site should be the same for the source and destination containers. The collection protocol and specimen types restriction should match. The new positions to which the containers are being moved should not be already occupied. Now let's see how it looks in OpenSpecimen. So I have created two freezer now for a demo. I want to move this rack 1 from shelf 4 to shelf 6. I also want to move another rack from another freezer to this freezer under shelf 6. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in overview page, check that the specimen types allowed are tissue, fluid, molecular cells, collection protocols all, and the parent site as LBGNK. If I am migrating into the same freezer, most likely they are the same, that is all collection protocols, all four types of specimen types, specimen classes, and the same parent site. I will choose the another rack. Even this rack has the same parent site as as the destination shelf, the same collection protocols and same specimen types. Now we can come to container list view page, actions, transfer. Now you can add as many boxes as you want in comma separated format, or if in case if you have flatbed scanners or handheld scanners, you can scan multiple barcodes over here. Earlier you have to go into individual box, click on more and then transfer, but now you have this option. So I'm going to move the entire rack 1, and from this freezer another rack, add. If the containers are present, it will appear in the list. Click on next. Now you have to select a parent container. I am going to select the shelf number 6. You can choose the position, or the first available positions can be occupied by the system itself. Currently I am going to select some position. Let's put it at position 3. I am copying first to all, so the next available position will automatically be taken. I can the reason is mandatory. I can add one reason for everything or add different reasons. Click on submit. I will refresh this page. Now you can see the two. Now you can see both the racks are moved under the shelf 6. So for this rack that we moved on position number 3, that is coming on position number 3. The other rack where we did not select any position, that came to the first available position within this shelf. So that is position number 1. Now you can select any of the rack. I am just selecting one. Under rack 1, I have a box 1 which has many specimens stored. If I select any specimen, it will have a transfer element event added. So even if I move the rack, the entire rack, all the specimens stored within the descendant will also have the transfer. So if I select this, you will see I have moved from shelf number 4 to shelf number 6, and the reason I entered that is also added over here. So in similar format, for any transfer, one transfer event will be added to all the specimens within the container or within the descendants of the container. Thank you.